So what's up guys, so welcome back. So ngayon guys at mag road trip tayo. So we are going to Janjan. Let's go. So yun guys, as you can see, dahil mga soccer field maglalaro dito ngayon, no? So malaking liga. Yan, dahil mga sasakyan dito sa Cobblerville yan. Straight ahead. guys, sa airport na yan. ng Saipan. Stop. Oh my god, napakalikabok. Oh man, you know, mga dump truck kasi dyan kumukuha sila ng ano sa quarry ng mga buhangin. Ayan. Shortcut ito. So yung main road nando sa kabila. So dito kami dumaan dahil marami lang yung pupuntahan namin dito. Dumaan kami sa back road. Ayan. Alam nasa ano ka sa probinsya, di ba? So mabibilang mo yung mga sasakyan dito, guys. So dito, so both side ng ano rito, yan ang main road papuntang airport. So sa right doon, yun, as you can see guys, yun yung airport. Ayan, papunta dyan. So yung pupuntahan natin guys, Dandan. So going straight. Ayan. So last night guys, dito rin kami pumunta, yung sa MAC, yung Marianas March Against Cancer. Ayan, so banda doon pa yung ano, yung place, yung area kung saan ginanap yung ano, yung MAC. Sayang itong ano ito, ganda. So as you can see guys, yun yung ano, bundok. Ayun, no? Kung makikita yung daliri ko, yun. So dito ginanap yung ano guys, yung Marianas Against Cancer. Ayan. So punong-puno ito last night. Grabe. Okay guys, from here, ayan dito sa kulay green na ano yan, waiting school bus. Yan, dyan ako nagparking last night. So mayroon pang mga tent doon, no? Hindi pa na babaklas. Yan, punong-puno yan last night. Daming mga sasakyan. You know, as you can see guys, ayan, nandiyan pa yung stage. Ayan. So ngayon, ito may naglilinis. Ayan guys, as you can see, naglilinis siya. Ano yan, sa government, mayor sa government yan. Ayan, so tuloy-tuloy tayo guys. Ayan, straight ahead. Stop and then check both sides if we have a coming car. Nothing, clear. Welcome to Dandan. So ayan guys, welcome to Dandan, diba? Ayan. So ayan. Map. So guys, dito sa Dandan maganda yung lugar dito. So napakalinis dito. Ayan.
left onto Gapo Avenue.
What's that? Papati.
Take the next left onto Gapo Avenue, then turn right onto Tassie Drive. Turn right onto Tassie Drive, then turn left onto Fiesta Street. Take the next left onto Fiesta Street, Tassie Lane. In 200 meters, your destination will be on the left.
meters. 200 meters.
Yun. Baka ito. That's the one? This one?
Yes.
Your destination is on the left.
This one. Where's the kids?
There is a
Alright, so anyway guys, so thank you so much. So nandito kami sa nandito na kami sa bahay. Good afternoon po.
Cedric?
Yes.
Okay. Is that the right place?
Yeah, just for the Google map.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
Sorry, it's confusing.
It's okay.
Oh, looks like
Ma'am?
sorry, Dad.
Alright.
Alright, just for a couple hours, okay? We're just gonna have him.
Until what time, ma'am?
Huh?
Until what time you stay here?
Why don't we find out?
Hindi mo binigyan ng...
Ay,
Gonna ask what time the other two are gonna go and make it the same.
Yeah.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
Just
Thank
for
you.
a second. Okay.
Okay. Hintayin natin.